topic is business owners and team building, even though you only have 2 to 3, 4 people in an organization, and how important that could be. And I think all of that comes down to the foundation that you want to have moving forward. So I think it's absolutely important to do. I think the foundation that you have as an organization starts with those 3 or 4 people and it branches out from there. So even if you went from 3 or 4 to 10, 20, 30, that core construct of people and culture stems off of those original few. And so taking the time to truly get to know each other and as a business owner, fostering the environment to have that teamwork, team building aspect baked in, I think plays a huge role in the future success that you could potentially have. Now, even if you don't plan on growing and scaling, etc., I think it's still important. All of the decisions that are made in an organization revolve around potential buy-in that you have. And so if these individuals are helping move the needle in that direction for the business owner, it helps that they're actually on board with what they're trying to accomplish, and that it's not just coming from down on high to do X, Y, and Z because I said so, as opposed to we believe this is the right way to move. We've already had those discussions. We have that safe space. So definitely important as a business owner, regardless of how many people you have, to do that team building aspect of your organization and bake it in.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and add your question to the comments.